Paul Rigby here, co-author of the B-Book and the B-Book version 2.0. I'm really excited to announce I will be in Kuwait on the 27th and 28th of November on behalf of ALGAS Events, my partner in the Middle East. I'll be delivering Be Ready for Digital Business Transformation workshop. This is not a technology workshop. This is a workshop about leadership. It's about attitude. It's about changing the social script, or as most people call it, the culture. It's about adapting to the new business environment to be relevant and to stay relevant. This is what this workshop is all about. It's practical, interactive. There's a lot of B's. You can see them in the background of my study here. This workshop is there to make sure that you take the learnings of the last 3, 4, or 5 years and make sure that you are ready for the future. The good news is it's not too late. The bad news is it's nearly too late. Attend this workshop and see how you can take your business to the next level. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to meeting some old friends. I look forward to meeting some new friends. See you on the 27th and 28th.